Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete comparison between Higgsfield AI and Freepik, covering their features, pricing, pros, cons, and which one is better for you in a simple and clear way. First, let's understand the core difference between these two tools. Higgsfield AI is mainly focused on advanced AI video and image generation, especially for cinematic and social media style content. On the other hand, Freepik is a complete creative platform that combines AI tools with a massive library of stock images, vectors, and design assets. Now let's talk about features. Higgsfield AI stands out for its powerful video generation tools, including cinematic effects, camera motion controls, and multiple AI models for creating short-form videos quickly. It also supports character creation and editing workflows, which makes it popular for creators who want viral-style content. However, most of its features rely on a credit system, meaning every generation costs credits, especially for video, which can consume a lot very fast. Freepik, on the other hand, offers a wider range of tools. Besides AI image and video generation, it includes access to over millions of stock assets, templates, icons, and design resources. This makes it more versatile for designers, marketers, and content creators who need both AI generation and ready-made assets in one place. Now let's compare pricing. Freepik starts at a lower price point, around $5 to $12 per month for basic and premium plans, and includes both AI credits and access to its full asset library with commercial licensing. In contrast, Higgsfield AI also has a free plan, but it's very limited with watermarks and restricted features. Its paid plans typically start around $9 and go up to $50 or more, depending on credits and features. The key difference is that Higgsfield charges mainly for generation credits, while Freepik bundles more value with assets and tools. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Starting with Higgsfield AI, one major advantage is its high-quality video output and advanced motion effects, which are perfect for social media creators. It also allows multiple AI models and fast iteration for creative workflows. However, the downside is the credit system, which can become expensive if you generate a lot of content. Also, free and lower plans have strict limits and fewer features. For Freepik, the biggest advantage is versatility. You get AI tools plus a huge design library, which saves time and money if you need ready-made content. It's also more beginner-friendly compared to advanced AI platforms. However, its AI generation tools are not as specialized or powerful for video as Higgsfield, especially when it comes to cinematic effects or advanced motion control. So, which one should you choose? If your main focus is creating high-quality AI videos, short-form content, or cinematic visuals, then Higgsfield AI is the better choice because it's built specifically for that purpose. But if you want an all-in-one platform for design, images, templates, and basic AI generation, then Freepik offers more overall value and flexibility. So, both tools are legit and useful, but they serve different audiences. Higgsfield is more powerful for video creators, while Freepik is better for general content creation and design. The right choice depends on your needs, your budget, and how you plan to use AI in your workflow. Subscribe the channel for more videos.